Is it too early to do a springtime look? Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nyasha and this is Makeup Difference. We're heading into spring, the weather is changing and I absolutely love spring. It's just that I have allergies, so I just love spring though. I did this nice look which is actually beginner friendly. Shadow is simple and you just got a bit of pop of color which is like a purple which you can barely see, and I used a couple of new products, so please stay tuned and carry on watching. You guys know the deal. We've done the brows already. If you've not seen how I do my brow, I will put a tutorial up there for you to see. I am priming my eyes with the Makeup Revolution. I'm going to be using Birds of Paradise Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. This has been there for quite a while and I've been wanting to get my hands on it. So this video is going to be, I'll be using mostly new products that I went to, you know, just treat myself a little bit. You know, most of these are going to be drugstore products. So I went in with a coral orange because I want to go for that coral eyeshadow with a purple pop of color. So I'm just going around my crease and near my brow just to give it a background color. Then I'm going in with my bronzy brown shade from Juvia's Place Vanessa palette. I absolutely love this. So this is going to help with that transition from the coral shadow to the brown shadow and I wanted to just create something wearable, something still beginner friendly and just gorgeous, not summery but springish, you know, springish vibes. Then I'm gonna semi cut the crease, but it's not really because I've got a bit of hooded eyes. I'm just trying to give myself a more wider space of eyelid. I then go in with this coral eyeshadow. It's so stunning. It's shimmery. It's got a bit of silver and purple iridescence. I don't know if the camera actually picks it up, but I thought it was just perfect for spring. It's not. And I then go in with a bit of a pink just around the corner just to blend everything in. Then I will be going in with a lilac silver shade in the inner corner, and I'm just loving how gorgeous that's looking already. We're doing a nice cute wing liner and we're gonna pop on some lashes. So I ended up going with the dupe. I think it's called the Hydrating Grip Primer, but this one is not in the e.l.f. one. It's just a copy and paste one. I was sent this by TikTok and it actually works the same from what I've heard. I've not tried the e.l.f. one yet, but I've been using this quite a lot and it works. I was actually going to use my new foundation from Makeup Revolution, but I have used the sample before, so I ended up going with the e.l.f. Halo Glow foundation. I've heard so much about this foundation and obviously I was excited to try it, but obviously only this to happen. I thought I had recorded the part I was blending everything, but this is how it looks. You guys know about it. It's absolutely lovely and stunning. It's super glowy, and I went in with my Made by Mutual color palette and I decided to just go back to my regular way of contouring, guys. I know I recently did the Uche foundation tutorial, but I've got my ways that I like, that I work, but I did incorporate some of the way that she does her makeup as well, her foundation base, but I actually like the way I do my base. It just sculpts and does everything that I want it to do. So I used the fine concealer and I'm also going with the Full Impact Be Perfect concealer. So I'm using two concealers, one that is a little bit lighter, and these concealers I've been loving lately, and I'm gonna blend everything together. I used Made by Nature pink blush. Then I'm going in with Cherry Blossom to just set everywhere. I just don't set my under eye, I actually set everywhere, because this doesn't show up pink, guys. It just brightens your eyes. And then I'm using the eyeshadow that's like a coral pink, and I'm using it as a blusher. Look at how gorgeous that is. And then I went in with this purple eyeshadow on the bottom of my eyes, and that's gonna be the purple pop of color, even though it wasn't fully showing on my pictures or when I put mascara, which kind of annoyed me. If I had a purple mascara, I would have used that. Then I went with the black pencil in my waterline. Easy Bake from Huda Beauty, just to brighten the under eye furthermore. Then the Super Hold Fix, obviously, with my Glory liquid lipstick as a lip liner. Lifter Gloss for Maybelline in the shade Sand. Absolutely love this. Gorgeous, just ties in together. So this is the final look, guys. Super easy spring makeup look, you know. I just love how flawless and gorgeous it is with the coral eyeshadow, just gorgeous on dark skin, and with a bit of pop of color. I enjoyed using, you know, Makeup Revolution's Bird of Paradise, what's it called, eyeshadow palette. I absolutely love Makeup Revolution, guys. Like, I love how affordable and how they cater to both. And I used the Halo Elf foundation, and I don't know, it's gonna take me a bit to get used to it. I think it would be definitely perfect for summertime, springtime, you know, if you want to get that glow. So yeah, I kind of mixed it with a bit of my foundation because it was a little bit neutral for me. On the bottom it actually looks warm, but it's not really. So yeah, I don't know, it's giving me the glow vibes that I like. I like looking glowy, I like looking healthy, and yeah, so let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.